gonna grab some chicken wings.
Hey! Get your ass on the ground. Get on the ground. Give me everything in that cashier.
Okay, please don't hurt me, please.
Okay. Alright, come on, bro. Wait, what the hell? Wait, what? Why is there no bullet? Where did all my bullets go? No. Alright, I will give you 60 seconds to decide. Either you shoot someone else, or you shoot yourself in the head. Choose. You know what? I need to put myself out of my misery. That'll do it. No, I hit my head.
Hey, dude. What do you think we should get?
Hey.
Oh, I want this hippo.
Represent.
Yeah, I do too. Let's go get it.
Actually, I want the staff.
Okay.
I'm very sure.
Who's that dude? I think we should go talk to him. Hello?
I would like to interview you guys. Hey.
Oh, heck yeah, that's okay, bro. That's okay. Man.
Hey, y'all ready?
Yeah, sure. Alright, what's the first question?
Okay. Going live. Have you been participating in these called games?
Oh, actually, yeah, we have. If you couldn't see,
Yeah.
he's blind in one of his eyes.
lost my eye.
There was a key that he had to dig out of one of his eyes. It was terrible. There was blood going everywhere.
It's not appropriate. What was the hardest challenge? Why? Probably poking at my.
I would probably say it was probably digging up a key with a shovel, and it was like 40 meters below ground, and I had to dig through concrete, and then the shovel broke, and I had to use a spoon.
What was the easiest challenge and why?
That was definitely the blending one. Remember?
The blender.
Yeah, the blending one.
Ones.
Yeah, I had to blend tongue and drink it. He had to blend an eyeball and drink it. Remember those eyeball gummies that we got from the store when we were kids?
Yeah, they taste.
Did it taste like that?
Eyeball. Oh no.
Did it taste good?
Tastes like bull. What do you think?
Sorry.
Did it taste good? I think it tastes like. I don't think it would.
Oh, okay. Sorry.
Okay, that's the end of the interview. Y'all can go home now. Goodbye.
Thank you.
Okay. Bye. Oh, so much work. It's piling up.
Hank, what are you doing? Why are you sleeping? Your shift's over. You can go home to your kids.
Look. Yeah.
Oh, hey, Dad.
I'm home.
Wait, you got the new badge. It means that you're the assistant worker, right? The assistant boss.
Yeah.
Nice, Dad. Hug me. Hug. I hug you. Thank you, Dad. You should go get some rest. You look exhausted.
Okay.
I'm gonna go work at my 7-Eleven job.
When is Henry gonna be here? It's been forever. I don't have a watch.
Yo, boss. What are you doing? Hi.
I'm swinging.
Nice.
I got kind of bored. I do need some more new underwear. That should work. Ooh, spit.
Man, this job is so exhausting. Hello, what would
Hey,
you like?
can I buy this?
What?
Can
It's not
I
on.
can't take it.
Sir. Oh, sure,
Can I-
sure. That would be
buy this?
3,000 shiny rocks.
Okay. Here you go.
Welcome.
Oh, can I also have this underwear?
Sure. Get out.
Take it.
Man, this job sucks. Who the frick is that? Why does he have a gun? Why does he have a gun? Why does he have a gun?
Get on the ground and drop the weapon. Happened here. You live? I don't think so. Hey, we got a dead one. Gee.
FBI, open up! Sir, we're afraid your son has passed away at 7-Eleven this morning.
No!
There has been a robber by the name of Jigsaw.
What was his name? Heard of Jigsaw?
Anyways,
Can we find his ID? Can you find his ID or like try to?
he dropped his gun,
Or is he dangerous?
but it didn't have any fingerprints on it. I'm sorry, sir.
Gosh darn it, he must have been wearing